Hey everyone, it's Amber, also known as Pretty Amor, and I'm a reseller who sells on Poshmark, Mercari, eBay, and Depop. Today we have a boutique by the box filled with FIGS scrubs. I don't know about you, but I love selling FIGS. They usually sell really fast for me. Should probably knock on wood. That was glass, but you know, I'm gonna cross my fingers that I didn't jinx myself. But yeah, the best places that I sell FIGS are usually Depop, Curtsy. If you're not on Curtsy, honestly, you are missing out. Let me tell you why. If you sell on Poshmark, you can automatically sync your closet to Curtsy, and it just goes there. All your new listings go straight to Curtsy once you have that initial process set up. It does take, I don't know, I think it took me like 20 minutes to set up originally because I have over 3,000 listings to go over to a different platform, but it's all automatic. You don't have to sit there and click. No, it just goes automatically, and then every new listing after that automatically goes over there within 24 hours. Also not sponsored, but I love Curtsy like that. I don't have the best luck per se with anything else besides FIGS. Yes, I've sold other things there, but it's kind of a different platform to kind of get used to, and since Poshmark is synced to it, I don't adjust anything at all, and I think that might be my downfall. I think people are expecting lower prices over there. I just don't edit my prices over there because that would be another platform to have to kind of manage, and I like being able to automate another platform. I guess Curtsy is my fifth platform, I should say. Yeah, so let's get into it. I believe the description on this said that it is mostly bottom heavy, which kind of sucks. There aren't sets, but there's a lot of people not buying sets, people that buy just the pants or just the tops, you know, things like that. And it was heavy on extra small and extra small, but that's where Curtsy comes in because there are a lot of young women over there that are going into the nursing field, doctors, vet techs, things like that. Even though this is an extra small, it's actually a maternity pant, so, and it stretches. But yeah, these are all supposed to be new with tags unless it fell off during like transit or something like that. I think they were customer returns and like shelf pulls, but no big deal to me. This is another extra small jogger, super vibrant pink color. I love that. Next we have the Livingston high-rise scrub pants in an extra small gray color. One thing I should point out, if you guys don't know, oh, where is it at on here? Yeah. So FIGS has what's called a PO number, and it's usually at the bottom of the care tag, or sometimes older styles it is right behind it. But the PO number, you can type that into Google, and FIGS kind of has its own like self-made system for the PO numbers that tells you the exact color, because a lot of hospitals have certain colors that their nurses, doctors, whatever have to wear. And so if you put in this, just pink, it might not be the exact shade of pink that they need, and that's not gonna be good, because then someone might not buy it because they don't think it's the right shade of pink, or they buy it and you get a case. So always look up the PO number. And of course they have the style number on it as well. So these are a size extra, extra small, the Zamora style. Personally, I love these. I just like the rib cuff, honestly. And it looks like we have a lot of those, so hopefully other people like them too. So here's another extra small, the same, which is honestly good because then I can make one listing and have however many there are on the same listing, and that is less work for me. This one's an extra, extra small of the same pink tone. And then we have an extra, extra small, another Zamora, but a navy blue color with some pink. Moving on to a different color and style. This is the Yola Skinny Petite, an extra, extra small, and kind of a dark blue color. Not navy, but a darker blue. And I believe this is the same one. Yes, extra, extra small as well. So again, less work on me to get these listed. Another extra, extra small in the dark blue. And I think we're moving on. Oh, this is another Zamora high-waisted, but these are navy. And looks like we have a couple of those. Oh, this is a Yola extra small, but navy. Haven't ran into any tops yet. That's kind of surprising, but honestly, I sell the pants a lot more, but maybe I just find the pants more and that's why I sell them more. I don't know. This is an extra small Zamora. That same pink shade we had before. Here's like a burgundy of the Zamora maternity pant and an extra small. All right. Oh no, these are a medium. Okay, we got a different size going on here, so that's great. Great, great, great. I believe these are, oh no, these are different. Sommer, navy blue color in extra small. These the same, they're navy blue. No, these are Yola maternity pants in size extra, extra small in a navy color. We got more pink rolling up. Oh, these are maternity pants in a size 2XL, the Zamora. Great size. I'm glad they gave me different sizes in here. I was a little bit worried to sell all extra, extra small, but now this will be great. Great mix. Yola maternity, size extra large, and like a burgundy color. More maternity pants. These, yep, Yola, size medium, pinky color. And another one, same thing, but they're a size large. I see another of that color and style. These, I mean, I know they're the same, but these don't have a tag with them, but they are a size large. No big deal. Like I said, it might have fell off during transit from the customer return or shelf pull or whatever. No big deal to me. These are Yola maternity in a burgundy, size small. Same thing here, size small as well. And we have a burgundy of the Zamora, extra, extra small. Now we're moving on to some gray. And we have Charlotte, extra, extra small. That's another one. Yeah, Charlotte extra, extra small. One listing there. And a Zamora extra small in a gray. Another burgundy maternity Zamora size medium. And I think this is another Zamora maternity in another size medium. And lastly, we have a Zamora extra small in a gray. So I'm kind of sad I didn't get any tops, because it said that there should be a mix of tops and bottoms. Maybe I'll have to go back and read that. Not every box will get tops and bottoms, but I'm pretty sure that's what it said. I can't complain though. All except one was new with tags, and they seem to be a greater mix than I thought of the sizes, and a lot of duplicates, so I can have one listing for multiples, and that's great. That's great for my business. I love being able to do that, and I'll price them slightly below the market so that hopefully they roll a little quicker. And like I said, over on Curtsy, they should do well, I hope. One more thing to note: don't use the FIGS stock photos. They love to take them down. I've been hit a couple times, so I just don't do it at all now. I've also seen some people that just have their own photos get taken down, so I'm not really sure what that's about, but just be very careful with FIGS and how you market them, and just don't use their stock photos, or your listing will get taken down. And on eBay, that can be bad because you'll get a Vero, and that just messes up your account. But yeah, I'm pretty excited to get these listed, and I hope they sell quickly. Stay tuned to see how they sell. Bye.